Hi everyone. In this video, let us discuss about how to make sure one-to-many records are deleted when the parent record is deleted. So that can be done by using the attribute ondelete equal to cascade. So which is a referential action that means that allows us to delete data from the child table automatically when delete the data from the parent table. So let's show an example. That means in this hospital management module, at here we are creating the patient's records, and under this OP history there is a one-to-many field which shows the OPs created for this patient. So while we deleting this patient record, automatically this OP record is deleted. So let's check how we can make sure how it get deleting. So let's go to PyCharm. So in the PyCharm, under the hospital management module, in the models, in the patient.py Python file, here it is that one-to-many of the field OP history IDs, which from the model OP ticket and of field card ID. So let's add the ondelete equal to cascade attribute to the field card ID in the model op.ticket. So in the op.py for the field card ID, I am just adding the attribute ondelete equal to cascade, which help us to delete the data from child tables when automatically delete the data from parent table. So I am adding ondelete equal to cascade. And then let's run the PyCharm and then upgrade the module. So I am just upgrading the hospital management module. And then I will creating a new record of the patient, that is decoded into class. And then so now the patient record is created, and from here I am creating a OP for this patient. So for this patient OP002, a record is created, and from the OP I am just see this is that record for that OP, and then at here let's delete this record. So currently that patient record is deleted, and then let's go to OP, and in the OP that record created for that particular patient from that one-to-many field is also get deleted. Like this we can make sure one-to-many records are deleted when the parent record is get deleted.